Namaste. Welcome to Swayam Prabha audience. This is a discussion class for Unit 1, Class 1 of EAM with SIMS. The unit name is Systems with Two Unknowns and the class title is Introduction. We are discussing the prep tutorial that consists of 4 questions, single step ones, and a multi-step problem. Question number 1. Find the polar angle theta in degrees of the vector v at theta shown as v theta. Axis is vertical and up. Absolute value of b is 30 degrees. Alright. We have discussed this problem already before, but we are doing it again to reinforce and get some more details. The best way to solve this problem is using the data. Now, we don't know theta, but we know A, the absolute angle of the axis from which beta is measured, that is 90 degrees, and B is 30 degrees. So I have put it already here, but let me put it one more time. Okay. So A and colon sign means is 90 degrees, 90, and then it's good to put the degrees. Okay. I go to math here and then choose this and then choose the degrees here. Okay, and I do now when this in this format, all I can do is to say A plus B is equal to, so is it A plus B? No, it is A minus B. Okay, so I will change it here. Okay, then A, see, A minus B is equal to, okay. Now let me make it big so that it will be easier for you to watch. Math formatting, and then I'm doing this. So you have to do it first, type in its original one and then change it. Now this is in radians, so you have to convert this into, so you press on this and then go here and then go to math and then select this and select degrees here and then see, now that's the answer. Okay, you may be tempted to put 90 and 30 and put AB 60. That's okay for small problems, but later on it becomes things are not as simple as this. So it's better to learn, even if it takes a second more, to do it this way. Okay, A minus B is equal to, you can change and do that. The other way is to do the simply go 90 plus 90 minus say 30 is equal to 60. This is like a calculator mode. That is all right for very simple problems, but I suggest this method of putting the data. Okay, all right. Now at this point, so there is a ELA box. ELA means okay, interactive integrated, okay, instruction learning and assessment box. Okay, integrated instruction learning and assessment box, ELA. So here this gives a check and it will give you instructions. Okay, if you get the right answer, give yourself 2 points, otherwise only 1 point and revise your solution, or otherwise go for further hint, like this. The procedure is basically same here. I did it. Then question number 2, I used 180 degrees angle here, so I can put 180. I'm doing the calculator mode to save time, and the angle is positive here, so therefore 25 and equal to, I got this. Okay, all right. And then see here, I given 25, I put positive here because B is counterclockwise to A, this explanation. Then third one, again you have, this is 270, you are adding, so 270 plus 30 is equal to 300. Okay, I got it. Okay, I did it here. Now comes another problem, question. I am using this axis, so I can write the answer as 0 minus 20 or 20 is equal to minus 20, or I can put 360 here. Okay, 360 and then get the answer as, so I prefer this one, so this is the answer. Okay, so I did that here. All right. Now the problem for outward vectors A 30, B 120, C 270, 200 T 70. Okay, let us now free body diagram to be studied later and is given. Add them using the polar vector equation, then applying symmetry. So we have done this problem before, this kind of problem, and so we converted the equilibrium equation to simultaneous vector equation by putting this vector to the other side. So therefore, the standard form of solution is A plus B is equal to C. So A is equal to 30 here, okay, B is equal to 120, and C is equal to, instead of 200, I put 100, I put 200, okay, all right. So if you do like that, okay, then the answer is, you already, suppose you are an A student, what will you do? Okay, assume you are A1 student, what will you do? You simply put the answer, okay, type the answer. Okay, let us do that. A, so this I make it big for you, math form. Okay, here I make it 24. Let me make it big. Okay, so now A colon equal to, now what is the formula? So C times sine and bracket begins theta math theta, and I go to subscript theta C minus, and I go to angle again here and then choose theta, and subscript is, we are going for A, therefore we have to subtract angle B, and now I divide this by sine, and again theta C, theta should be A here. Okay, so therefore subscript A and minus same angle theta. Okay, so B, so I did it wrong, so I will put a subtract B. See, these are the things that happen. Now I got the formula right. You see, theta C, C is theta C, and A theta A, and B B. Now I can come here outside, okay, outside, then equate to 0, equate to, so 100 newtons, okay, if this is minus 200. Now I want to find out B. Do I keep on typing this? No, I don't have to do that. Okay, what I will do is, I will copy this, copy, and then come down and choose a point here, some point, okay, and then paste it here. All right, now I'm going to edit this, so I make this A, then I edit, oh no, I want B, right? I want B, then I'll make it B, okay, and then I have to subtract B, therefore I make it A, and I'll make this B into A. So now, okay, See, what did I make mistake? I didn't put it properly here. Okay, so I edit theta and subscript a. So now I got it. Okay. So these are the things you do with some amount of what you call practice. You will do very well. So when you go to the exam, okay, you can keep the you remember this exam. This is good for 80% of the things. So do this. You got it. So so the answer is 86. So the answers here are meant for 100. So let me change it a little bit here. So this is 100. Okay, let us say 100, and then C becomes 100. Okay, 100. Then the answers are, so now the A for 50, B is 86. Okay, so I change the thing here. I'm going to change it later on. So anyway, now suppose you didn't get these answers for some reason, for some make mistake. Okay, so you go to hint. Okay, see V is equal to 30, 120 plus 100 is equal to 0. Okay, then you change it to what you call vector simultaneous equation or system equation, whatever it is. Okay, so simultaneous equation. So this will be here like this. Okay, this will, I change it here. Okay, for you. So now this is minus here. Now this is a and now LC to be eliminate for this. So I'm telling what to do, etc. For B you have to do that. Okay, to get A, for A you do that. Correct answer, got it. If you don't get it, okay, you change it to 6. So now you go to see here. You have to remember this kind. You have to. I put the diagram also for your convenience. Okay. Now suppose you want to, even then you didn't get the correct answer. Then it is giving the Vim solution. So it gave the same thing and then it gave this. So this is the form A, B, and then this is C. All right. So this is the equation. Okay. All right. And C is equal to minus 100. Okay. So you got the answer. Okay. And then again, I'm explaining what I have done. This is it. So, so with all this you got 17, so it is less than 18. So you have to take one more time exam, okay, or try one more time. You see that? So now let me explain this because this is very important for you, okay. To get an A in the final examination, marks total should be minimum 18, that is 90% marks. All right. So that means you have to get 80% correct answers in the first attempt. Then you earn 10 points by correcting yourself using the hints. So it comes to total 90. So with practice that is possible for all. In the final examination, you get questions like this. The distribution of marks may be slightly different. Okay, here we have a combination of 8 plus 12. Sometimes you may have, you know, some. So questions will be of three types. One are questions that carry 2 points. So if you get some help, you get only 1 point for that. Questions, if they carry 4 points, if you get a hint, you get 2 points for it. Okay. Then if there are questions with 8 points, then if you get help, okay, you get either 6 or 4. So depending upon the difficulty and number of steps in part, I have questions for 2 points, for 4 points, for 8 points, and for 12 points, like this is here. So with this combination, each tutorial is worth 20 points, and in similar way, in the unit examination also, you'll have two class, and at the end of every 10th class will be a unit test, so it will have two problems. Okay, you can work it at home or whatever it is. Okay, you have practice, and the final exam, until you attend the final examination, you don't get any credit in the sense of points. Okay, you are supposed to do all these things to prepare for the final examination. In the final examination, you will have 6 questions. Okay, just like this. Okay, one question from each unit. Okay, to test you comprehensively. And then, so the marks will be 120. So you have to get 108 points to get an A. If you get that 90% the first attempt, you get A1, 10 out of 10. And I explained before, if you get in the second attempt, you get 9, third attempt 8, fourth attempt and more 7. So this makes you perfect. Okay. Now, since we have some time, let us get to what you call prep tutorial. This is prep tutorial. Let me go to class tutorial, how it is different. Okay, so let me go here. See how teachers swarm questions. Okay, basically. So I had a vector this side previous in prep, so I gave it to this side. So this is the answer. Okay, next, and here I took a vector here, now I gave it here. Okay, subtract. Okay, I did that. Okay, now here I chose this again instead of here, I did it here. Okay, so and then here I have done here. So by changing the direction in which the vector is compared to the axis, and then by changing the magnitude, I can get infinite number of problems, and that they will be in the data bank, and the program spits out different combinations. And now here, this problem, I vector A and vector B, and the resultant is R. Therefore, it is very direct. A plus B is equal to C, or in this case R. Okay, this is the one. So now expression for A. Now let me do it for you. Okay, let me, A is equal to A. Okay, let me make it big. Okay, uh, math formatting, and then I make it 20. Okay, and then I is so and then instead of C I have R here. Okay, R times sine and theta R. Okay, I go to math here, and theta sub R. So sub R. Earlier I have C, so this versatility you should develop. Okay, and then again theta, I choose theta here, and sub say I'm going for A, therefore I have to subtract for B, then come out of this parenthesis, and then divide, then sine, and then do that, and this I should put theta A here. So go theta sub A minus theta sub B. Okay, now I come out of this, and then see, I got the answer. You see that? See, these angles are different, And now, suppose I want to do um, do for B. So I don't have to type all these things. Only thing is I copy this, okay, and then come here, select this point here, and then uh, paste. Okay. Now let me move this a little bit here, and all this I don't require. Okay. Okay. Now I keep changing this A into B. Then I keep the sub. You have to put the cursor, otherwise it'll get wrong. Now I change B, and then RR I don't have to change, so I have to change this to A. and then I have to be careful. I made a mistake last time. So A. Okay, now I do that. I come outside and see again. There is for some reason it's making a mistake here. Okay, so I retype. Okay, and I go to sub. Okay, and then A. All right, now I'm in business. So I got that 141. So it says A is equal to 156.998, and this is so I got 12 points right away. But if I don't get it, okay, therefore I you see it is explaining this is the thing, okay, and this is A, this is R in sub C. So I have this. So with correct solution, blah blah blah, okay. Then again I'm explaining the same thing here, okay, same thing. So this is this C141, that is B, and this is A. So I can I change the order here, but you can do any order that you want, okay. And then with this mt is equal to 4. Why? Because you got, see here, so I have to put m p, and I put 6, let us say. Okay, take care of it. Then so see it changed. So this way, this is just an example. It could be, you can easily get 20 out of 20. And again, I said the same thing again as before. So practice this. So try to make the solution as simple as possible, and you'll be very successful. Thank you very much. Namaste.